champs, welcome back to Shubhkaamna Academy. Nature's symphony awaits. Let's visit India's bird sanctuaries and marine parks. India is heaven for avian lives with sanctuaries like Bharatpur in Rajasthan, Chilika in Odisha. Our marine parks like Gulf of Mannar protect rich underwater ecosystem, preserving biodiversity for generations. Protecting wings and waves. Explore more with Chupkamna Academy. Like, share, and subscribe if you learned something new today. And I'll see you in the next mapping video with more exciting topics. Until then, keep exploring, keep curious.